Do you have what it takes to join the Prime team?
Working here is fantastic. I've been working here for 3 years, making everyone happy, making sure everything's done right. I have pride for the work I do.
Respect. Respect for ourselves, the team, the process, the standards, and the customers guides everything we do here at Prime. You can feel the mutual respect we share as a team and from our leaders.
Integrity. Integrity means doing the right thing and going above and beyond for our customers here at Prime Car Wash.
Maturity. For many of our team members, working for Prime is the first experience in the workforce. To have the opportunity to help shape and develop them and help grow their leadership skills, and also to help them mature as an individual in our team environment is one of the greatest responsibilities that we have as a Prime management team, and we take it very seriously.
Experience. The experience you gain from working at Prime Car Wash stays with you whether you leave or stay with the company, and it carries over to whatever you do.
Do you have what it takes to join the Prime team? Switch gears to a career that moves you.